Access control lists are used as a safety measure. They utilize a set of rules to determine which users or groups are allowed or denied access to specific files, folders, or network services. Sensitive information is kept more secure by managing these permissions. In this episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to configure access control lists, ACLs, on RV340 routers. On my RV340 router, I have configured 3 VLANs, 1, 50, and 100. VLAN 100 will be used for my guest network. For security purposes, it is recommended that you keep all traffic from a guest VLAN separate from other traffic. So, I'll set up ACLs to block all traffic from this guest VLAN to the other 2 VLANs, with one exception. Since the DNS server is on VLAN 50, my guest VLAN will need access to it to use the internet. So I need to allow that specific traffic to pass through. To begin, log into the web user interface of the router, navigate to Firewall, and then Access Rules. Click on the plus symbol. To configure the Allow rules, select DNS TCP from the Services drop-down menu. The source interface is going to be the guest network, in my case, VLAN 100. Select any as the source address. My destination interface will be VLAN 50. Under destination address, select single IP. Here, specify the IP address of the DNS server to allow that traffic through. My DNS server is at 10.11.12.4. Once you've configured the access rules, click Apply. In order to cover all bases, add the same rules with DNS UDP as well. To do that, click on the plus symbol and select DNS UDP under Services. The source interface will be VLAN 100. The destination interface is VLAN 50. Configure the address of the DNS server as shown earlier. Click Apply to continue. Now that the Allow rules are configured, the next step is to enter the Deny rules. To add these, click on the plus symbol. In the Access Rules window, select Deny for all traffic. The source interface will be VLAN 100, and the destination interface will be VLAN 50. Click Apply to apply the settings. Next, add the same rules to deny traffic from VLAN 100 as the source to VLAN 1 as the destination. Once you click Apply, you can see that there are 2 Allow rules, which will allow DNS traffic specifically through, and 2 Deny rules that'll block everything else. To test it out, open a command prompt and type ipconfig/all. Here, you can see that the VLAN 50 address is 10.11.12.134. After that, hop over to your guest network at VLAN 100 and join the guest network. On the command prompt window, type ipconfig/all once again to confirm that you are on your guest network. For this example, it's 192.168.99.134. You'll see that the DNS server is still 10.11.12.4. As expected with these ACLs in place, when you refresh the page for the router user interface, you'll lose access to the router. Perfect! The ACLs are protecting sensitive information from this guest VLAN while still allowing access to the internet as shown here. You've now configured the access rules on an RV340 router. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.